guys, I'm Chris. You're at Speed Spectre 1030. If you're new to the channel, like I said, I'm Chris, and this is what we have got going on today. Another go-kart. So I was actually going to be building for the channel a dirt cheap, budget bastard go-kart that I wanted to keep under $200. I already had a few parts lying around for it. I've been working on this big beast over here. I mean, just the size alone, this thing is huge. So this is what we usually work on for go-karts. This is the Rat Rod go-kart. Pretty much right now, all I'm doing is getting the brakes working and fixing the throttle linkage, which that'll be coming up in a video. But today, I did actually find a wicked deal on this. This was a $79 as-is, not tested go-kart at a thrift store. I literally just bought the thing today. So we're going to be just going through it, figuring out what it needs, if it'll even run. It has a Honda 6.5 horsepower motor. Pretty awesome engine, I've been told. So this is what we got going on. So today's video, we're going to go over how to make this thing pretty much get it running and driving after sitting for such a long period of time. We have throttle. We got brakes. It'll be fine. Alright, so we got throttle, we got brakes, we got somewhat of a steering wheel, we got to fill up these tires. Let's get this engine running and let's get to it. And oh yeah, that's why we got no rope, so we'll have to figure out what's going on there. Hopefully it's not seized up. What we're doing, take this thing apart, get it running, and hopefully for $80 I got a heck of a deal. No matter what, I think I got a deal. If I even threw an engine on this thing, I'd still be in it cheaper than building it from scratch. 10 freaking mil. It's a Honda, everything's 10 mil on these, aren't they? Not bad actually, it's just usual carbon buildup, nothing crazy. Alright, so we got that out. We're going to spray some penetrant oil in there. We got that off, and then we're going to spin it over just to make sure we got everything freed up. Check this out. There's a 1/2-inch socket stuck in there, which is kind of concerning. I'm going to try to get that out, and we're going to loosen the engine, slide it forward, take the chain off, and then space it either out. It doesn't look like that's what we do. This thing just needs to be turned in that way a little bit. Alright, we got the engine loose, it's scooted over, and now that we got enough slack, we can kind of figure out what's going on. I've been spraying this with WD-40, just trying to free up this chain, and you can see she is pretty stuck. So we're going to keep rotating it, breaking it free. It actually has, looks like it has 2 locks. I think we can remove that one. Get it removed. Try to unstick this chain, put it all back together, and hopefully we'll be able to get this brought in a little bit more, and we'll be able to ride this thing very soon. This was about twice as thick as it needed to be, so either we need to cut it in half, which I would think would be kind of funny to do. Alright, let's grab the grind. Got a better idea. I am extremely surprised with myself that that worked as well as I thought it would be horrible and when it cut right, but that did extremely well. We just gotta finish cutting the bottom of there and then we'll be good to go. Oh my god, I'm good sometimes. Look at that. Alright, we're all set. Let's put that back together, put the chain on, which is actually sitting over there, soaking in engine oil. Alright guys, so this is actually how I unstick a chain. I put it in the vise. These are already freed up, these links. You don't have to worry about those. Pull it as tight as you can, and you just give it a good old. 9 times out of 10, it works. Okay, engine's mounted solid. Chain is on, nice and straight. We're just now gonna go check for spark. There we go. Oh boy, that's too much. Awesome. Well, I just pulled the jet on the carburetor, and you can see she is plugged solid. Oh no. And let's see. Oh yeah, you could see clearly through it. Look at that. So now gas can pass through that, and that engine should run. Fuel line. Yeah, you can kind of, yeah, there you go. You can see that. doesn't quite fit, and they used what I would always call tie wire. And tie wire usually works great for stuff like this, only when it's actually, oh, it is wrapped around. No, it's not wrapped around. And the fuel line just moves freely back and forth. You can see that. I don't know if I can show you. Oh yeah, there you go. So I got a itty bitty hose clamp. We'll put that on there, tighten this thing up, and this thing should keep that from leaking. Throw gas in it and fire this pig up. This will be freaking interesting. I've been trying to film, and oh my gosh. Yeah. By the way, I got this gas can at the same thrift store I got this go-kart. Alright guys, it's the next day. I got the thing up on a paint can. I've been spraying WD-40 all over the chain. Water. Ooh. That looks... Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, you know what? It'll be alright. It'll be fine. We got the oil checked. It has it. We verified that. Let's see if this thing will fire up. Fired up. All the choke. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's backfiring. It's backfiring a whole lot. And it did get it to run, but it definitely sounds like we have some lean issue. Yep, this was the issue. Look at this thing. Wow. Wasn't even. Oh my gosh. Looks like it was on fire. Could be oil. Who knows? Yeah, I'm willing to bet that was our vacuum leak. Alright guys, so far I was going to order a rebuild kit for this thing, but like the Rat Rod go-kart, it actually turns out that it's cheaper just to buy a whole new carburetor. This thing still has gas in it. It's got all new stuff on it. I think it'll fire right up now. I'm not 100% sure it will. We just got it all put together. I'm pretty sure it'll fire up. We're going to set the choke. Fuel's on now. And hopefully this thing will fire up. Choke on, get fuel on. Is this on? Yes. Oh. It's running. Is it gonna die? Oh. Brakes work? Yeah. $80. Unbelievable. Brakes work okay. Oh, jeez. Oh boy, it's fast. Wow, it's running great. Does it turn sharp? Oh, wow. Something's wrong. Maybe we should have tested all the lug nuts. Uh-oh. Oh boy, we have a problem. We should slow it down. Boy. That sounds pretty bad. Oh, come on. Oh, wow. Okay, we're done. 80 bucks. Well, with $15 worth of new carburetor. Alright, well that tire's done. Oh my goodness. Is that all it was? It's the tire? Oh, the tire is so flat that it rubs the brake. Okay, well that's fine. So it needs all new tubes except for one, I guess. There you guys go. $80, $15 carburetor, and I've got a go-kart. I was gonna build one for the channel, but this is good. This will work, but it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. For $80, I am very happy with the purchase. Best $80 ever spent, if I do say so myself. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.